Jacob, today we're going to be working on the ideas of comparing and contrasting ideas. Okay? When we compare, we find things that are the same or similar among ideas, concepts, things. Okay? When we contrast, we show the differences between them. Remember how we use the Venn diagram with the big circles that overlap? Okay? We're going to do today, we're going to take a look at our spin book. We're going to read it, and on each page, we're going to compare the different characters we find. Remember, the characters are the things, people, animals we're talking about. Okay? Start reading.
How does a frog change into a horse and back again with a
I don't know. Splitting it apart. Short eyes. Let's put it together. Simple. Okay, let's take a look here. Does that look like a squirrel?
Yes.
So let's go back and ask, how does a squirrel change into a horse and back again? We're going to turn the wheel. Here's my squirrel. Here's my horse. Okay. Now, what do I notice is the same? Turn him upside down. Well, what is the same about both animals? So we're going to compare. What's the same? If I look at the horse and the squirrel, can I think about how they look?
The same.
What looks the same about them?
The squirrel has head and the horse neck.
Okay, so what's the same about them? But what about how they look? Can I find things, are they purple and orange?
No.
What is the same about them when I look at both of them?
They both have the same color.
They both have the same color. Good.
But not the color eyes.
All right, so it's the different color eyes, so that's contrast. Okay? Compare is the similarity. Contrast would be the outside circles that we work on. Let's look at another one. One pig here, one pig here. And we need to take a look and complete our Venn diagram. What do we put in the middle? Do I put things that are different or the same in the middle?
The same.
The same. And I'm going to have this pig. What's different about this pig? And then what's different about this pig on this side? Okay? And we're going to write. I'm going to have you write one set, and then I'll do the rest in the interest of time. So what is the same about both pictures? What can you find that's the same about both pictures?
They're both in a bubble.
That's in a bubble. So can we write in a bubble? We write in. Do the sound. Bubble. Remember, we do it by syllables. What do you think? Bubble.
So we get two B's there.
There you go. Two B's. Good job. What would come at the end?
L.
L. What do you think is next? Very good. Okay. Let's go over to this pig. What is different about that pig than this card? Very good.
Does it have a mustache?
Okay. So we could put no. What? What do I want to put?
Mustache.
Do you need help spelling that one?
Yeah.
Makes the sound. Not what's the What's You. No. Take the O off. You. There you go. Must. All right. Okay. There you go. You got it. Asking to you again. It's the C-H-E. That's a tricky one because it sounds like the S-H, but it's C-H-E. Okay, so no mustache. What's different about this one?
It's a little bigger than this one.
Okay, can we write that? What's your sound? Sound it out. Say the words and let's listen to the sound. How would you do it in syllables if we pretended to class do it with me? Bigger. So how would I do that? I have big. What's the second syllable?
E-R.
There you go. Okay. What are some other differences? And this is looking at it right. What are some other differences that you can think of? With your Angry Birds, we have the red Angry Bird and the purple colored Angry Bird. We're going to do the same thing. If I said contrast the pictures, what does contrast mean? Can you remember? Okay, let's go back to our card. What does contrast mean? If I say contrast those, it means to what? To show the differences. Concept. Good. And if I say, pull it out of there for me. If I say compare, what does that mean?
To show the
Similarity
among
concepts. So what does similarities mean? Do you remember?
Like the same thing.
The same thing. Okay, we'll leave these set here to help us remember because we want to use those words, compare and contrast, okay? All right, what is something, if I tell you to contrast the pictures, I'm asking you to find the
difference.
Okay, so I'm going to find the difference. And where do the differences go on my Venn diagram?
Right here.
Very good. Okay, so what is going to be different between the birds?
Doesn't have the cape because see him and he's got a cape on, so that's different.
Well, we have to use what we see in these pictures, not what we know from being an Angry Bird fan, okay?
Okay.
All right, so what do we know from the pictures? What can I tell is different?
They both don't have the same colors.
Okay, so what color is this one?
Red.
So this one is red. What color is the other one?
Purple.
Purple. What else can we find a contrast for?
They're not both like. They both have one color under them.
You want to move it closer now so you can see them together. That's fine. So they both have.
Yeah, have like a colors on it.
Okay, you can put colors. What are you gonna? How are you gonna tell me that?
Under the blue. And at the bottom.
Okay, so write that down. Talk yourself through the spelling. how do I write or? Color. How do I spell or?
O-R.
O-R. Okay, so color. Remember, we're doing it by soda sound. There you go. Good job. Glass. Very good. And you picked the right spelling. We've looked at homophones this week, so we have tail and tail, the story, and the one that goes on the animal. You picked the right spelling. Very nice. We're going to have to get ready to join your class at music. Speaking Keith. Your Angry Bird cards. You did a great job today.
Okay.
All right, go put them away.